our last day together, but certainly I hope not our last. I've given you information in your email about the Core Club. So workouts like these are available at your fingertips. All you have to do is press play. I give you a calendar to follow. If you don't want the calendar, you have a workout library where you can choose your favorites. So come join me. I'd love to have you. I'd love to keep going with this Jumpstart with you and keep you consistent so you really do feel amazing. Because honestly, just 15 minutes a day, and some of the workouts are longer, but just 15 minutes a day. After 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, you're gonna feel unbelievable, and you'll see that it trickles into everything that you're doing. So come join the Core Club. I would love to have you. You ready for our final workout together? Let's do this. So we're gonna start on all fours today. Knees underneath your hips, hands underneath your shoulders, elbows maybe kind of rotated backwards towards the back of the wall so that the crease of your elbow is forward. And a nice long neutral spine. Just close your eyes here and just feel the natural curves of your spine, not letting anything sink or flex. Kind of push your tailbone to the back of the room. Let your butt bones sort of widen towards the back of the room. And then the crown of your head is forward. Take an inhale to prepare yourself. On your exhale, start to tuck the tail, scoop the belly, and let the head drop. Take an inhale here, and then exhale from the tail. It starts to articulate through a neutral spine, and then we open to extension. Inhale. Exhale back to center and flex. Stay for an inhale. Exhale, move. Inhale, open. And exhale, move. And then just come back to center here. We're gonna sort of like a bow, we're gonna bend our elbow, pull it, and then open up into extension, and then thread it under our chest. Pull and open, and thread it through. For 3, inhale, exhale. 2, 1. Now keep it threaded, hold it there, lift your hips up to the sky, and rest. Come back to center. Other way, we bend, lift, up, and thread it through. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Opposite arm just stays under our shoulder. And we are tight this way, so don't expect a lot of movement. When you can twist in that upper mid back, you'll get more flexible. And then thread it through. And you're, as Joseph Pilates said, drop it, lift your hips up. We're only as young as our spine, so if we can keep our spine supple and flexible, we can almost age in reverse. Come back to center. Hold right here, and then just tuck your toes under and stretch back in those hips. And then drop the toes down and stretch it even further back. So if you've noticed, if you feel sort of crummy before you start, by the end you feel fantastic because we've got to get that energy moving through the body and flowing through the body. Come down onto your stomach. And that's why movement is so good for you. It's not just about the physical, right? All right, get your legs wide, hands by your head, and we're going to do some extension work. So pelvis stays down. Inhale, open your heart, and just, what does it feel like to open your heart, right? Doesn't it just feel joyful? Get those internal sensations too as you're moving. Connect internally to everything. Legs are long, spine is long. One more time. and down. Good. Come here onto your elbows for our single leg kick. Squeeze those thighs together. We lift, kick, kick, and switch. Now that we know it, you want to lift and kick. Lift and kick. Spine stays long. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Tuck those toes under. Lift up into your plank. Okay, so now we're in a long spine. Find neutral here in your elbow plank. If you need to drop to your knees, go ahead. Give me some deep breaths here, no shallow breathing. And then you're going to take one hand towards your elbow and you're going to open up into side plank. One leg can be over in front of the other, or they can be stacked, or you can drop your bottom knee. Okay, find what works for you. We hold here, lift long. So I want you to really lift up out of your waist, out of your back, out of your ribs. Lift them up to the sky. Neck is long. 2 more deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Deep breath. Good. Lower down. All right, so we're on our elbow here. We're going to work some stabilization today. We're going to bend our bottom leg and top leg. Okay, so find sort of that place where when you can rotate open. So my heels are pretty much lined up with my butt bones as I open here. Okay. So I'm keeping my heels together and I'm just finding a rotation in the hip. 5, and I'm not sagging. You can always drop down on your arm here if you'd like. Okay. 2 more. Key is just keep a long spine. Then from here, I'm going to lift my heels. I'm going to do the same thing. My spine stays long. Good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now hold it open. Hold it here, and I want you to reach your leg long, bend it back in, and bring it down. Open, reach, and lower. Now, as we do this, your upper body's probably going to get tired. I want you to stay tall and long. Good. Two more. 2. Hold your last one up on 1. Hold it there, and then just give me little itty bitty pulses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, and lower. Sorry, I had to do it. Come back up, side plank, and we're going to turn it front plank once again. Okay, I'm going to spin around just so you can see me. On your forearms, elbows under armpits, hold nice and long. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Rotate your hand towards your knee. Find your side plank here. Again, you can stack one leg on top of the other. You can also bend your bottom knee and hold long. Go to your knee if you're feeling your shoulder, okay? I want you to feel your back, your belly, your torso, but not your rotator cuff, okay? Deep breaths. Let's do one more deep breath. Keep that spine long. Good, and drop the hips down. We stay up on this elbow, really working the stabilization of the torso, okay? Find your heels, bend those knees. My heels are lined up with my butt bones, and I'm just going to open and close without sagging the torso. So I'm not hanging out here, right? Engage. All about being in Pilates class. No hunching. So I'm opening from my hip. That's what's doing the movement. 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to just lift my heels up. They stay together. I open. Good. Three more. 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to open it. You're going to reach along and the hip stays where it is and lower. Again, stay stabilized in that upper body. Awesome. Doing dynamite. One more. Hello, hip. Little pulses. Point that foot. Come on, right into that hip. Stay long in your spine. Stretch it longer. Lift up the ribs and the waist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Nelly. All right, come on up, side bend. And then go over plank. Come up onto your hands and stretch it up into your up stretch. Just sort of alternate some knee bends here. Good. And then lower those heels down. Feel that hip lift as the heels push down. Feel that opposition. And then start to lift those heels. Articulate the spine. Find your plank. We lift up. Lower the heels down. Pull them back up. Tuck, scoop. Articulate it out. Try it again. Up, stretch. Push the heels down. Lift the heels up and scoop. Okay, try 2 more. One more. Good. Drop those knees down. Push it back and kind of bring your hands to one side of the mat. And then just take it over to the other side of the mat. Come to center. Roll it on up. Lie down on your back. All right, find a neutral spine and bring one leg up to tabletop. Bring the other leg up. Squeeze those thighs together and flex your feet. We're going to reach one leg long as we keep neutral in our spine and then bend it back in. Inhale, exhale. Nothing in your spine moves because you're so stable and engaged. The lower that leg goes, the more ab power you need. Be careful you're not popping your abs or your low back. You can also reach straight up. If you want to try both legs, squeeze them together and reach and pull. And if you'd like to take the hands behind the head and flex the chest up, you can do it from there. Okay, wherever you're working, give me a few more. Hug those thighs in, roll yourself up, and then just roll off your sitting bones. Take one leg up to tabletop, bring the other leg up to tabletop. So now we're scooping here, and you're going to keep your chest up. So low belly scoop, chest is up, hold there, and just walk down your thighs as you scoop. Your legs don't move. And then bring it back up. Try not to push through the pelvis, just lift the upper back. Again, we roll. And we come back up. Now, if you want to try this without hands, the arms reach, we go back, legs stay where they are, and we come back up. Roll on an inhale. Actually, do it harder. Take an inhale, prepare, exhale down. Inhale up. Okay, wherever you're working, give me 2 more. Exhale down. Inhale up. Good. Stay right here. Try to stretch your legs up. Stay where you are. Now, can you open your mid back? Hold that. Can you let go of the hands and keep your legs where they are? Good. And then just lower the legs down. Stretch for those toes. Roll it on up. One bone at a time. Beautiful. All right. Let's do crisscross, actually. All right. Side bends. Over. And then up and over the other way. Okay? 2 more each side. Up and over. Inhale. All right, now come to center and rotate. Pulse it 3 times. Now rotate with the ribs. So if you think you're rotating and reaching with those arms too much, take your hands here. It helps to feel just the ribs rotating on your spine. Sometimes we do it right with the arms, okay, and the spine doesn't move. One more each side. Come to center, grab those thighs and just scoot back. And then we open it up. Oh, hello, sunshine. And come to center. Good. All right, right on top of the sitting bones. Find your posture. Oh, hello, don't I do this every day? Yes. I want you to feel that posture. I want it to become natural, second nature for you. Just feel it like you're not struggling to get there. Inhale, reach the arms up, pull your palms together, grab that energy. Exhale, pull it right down, front and center. Yes, you did it. Congratulations. 5 days in a row. You rock. I hope you feel fabulous. Again, we do not have to say goodbye to each other. You can come join my core club. It is a phenomenal group of people. We are awesome, if I don't say so myself. But if you like these workouts, that's what it is. There's no pressure. It's not a program. It's really not a plan. It's something to just fit into your life to get movement and exercise in, because we're human beings and we're meant to move. And I wanted to create movement that allows your body in all directions, because that's what's going to energize you. It's going to have you feel good. It's going to get rid of all the gunky stuff that makes us feel negative during the day and help you feel positive and strong and empowered and just phenomenal. I'm telling you, that's what this is about. It's not to feel guilty and having to try to get your workout in and feeling badly if you don't. We don't do that here, okay? We embrace who we are. We are not perfect, and that is hallelujah. Thank goodness. So come join. Love, love, love to have you. We're a great group of people. And if not, no worries. We can say goodbye now. I'm still on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to get some of those free workouts. Okay? Take care, and I'll see you next time on the mat. Bye.